In this video, we will discuss the concept of row creation time and why it is important for deploying Bigeye metrics. One of the cost-saving and performance-optimizing measures that Bigeye employs is defining a look-back window to only run each metric against a selected period of recent data. In other words, instead of doing a full table scan during each metric run, Bigeye is only running that metric for the period of time you define. This look-back window is calculated based off of the timestamp that you choose, which we call row creation time. Bigeye will give you the option to select the row creation time from all timestamp columns in each table. This helps optimize your metric query performance on your source by limiting the amount of rows returned by the query. Bigeye also bundles similar queries to run against data sources at one time for optimization, but that's another topic. Now, let's talk about how we window your data based on the column of your choosing. The two windowing methods that Bigeye supports are data time and data time window. Admittedly similar names, but methods that work very differently. Data time is effectively the max value in your data minus n days, which was defined in your look-back window. Data time window calculates the max value minus n days, like data time, but it also defines a bucket size and aggregates the metric for each bucket. This allows for the recomputing of the metric over all buckets within your look-back window during each metric run, which allows Bigeye to alert you if your data is added or changed, causing new or unknown issues or anomalies. I hope that this video has helped you understand the importance and application of selecting a row creation time for creating data metrics in Bigeye.